Wiring of KNX Devices course, as one of our new series for free KNX videos. In this video, we will explain how to wire KNX DALI gateway. First note, what is DALI System? DALI stands for Digital Addressable Lighting Interface. It is a two-way communications protocol that is used to provide control over, and communication between, the components in a lighting system. Each DALI driver or sensor called ECG, maximum 64 subscribers, ECG, and 16 groups and 16 scenes. Central control is also possible, broadcast command. System is used exclusively for lighting. All ECGs are basically dimmable. Max consumption, 2 mA per ECG. Max range, 300 m for bus line with 1.5 mm superscript 2 NYM cable. Not SELV. Transmission rate, 1.200 bit per second. Signal amplitude for the logical, 1, between 9 to 16 volt. DALI 2. Standard Part 103 defines multi-master devices and their communication of 64 sensors can be integrated into the same bus line. In this video, we will control DALI drivers using KNX DALI gateway. We will use KNX DALI gateway 1 channel, so this channel can be connected to 64 ECG. Also, there are KNX DALI gateways with 2 output channels, so we can control 2 lines of DALI system. In this case, we can control in 2 lines of DALI system and every line we can control with 64 DALI driver ECG. Second note, we will use MCB to protect all electric circuits and smart devices, so the rated current of this used MCB should not exceed the rated current for actuator output channels. Also, the connected loads should be in range of this MCB. Now enjoy watching. See you in the next free videos. Porto KNX. We make learning KNX free, simple, easy and attractive.